Paul here. Hey, I can't believe it, but we're almost done with the first week. That is awesome. Okay. First weeks are kind of always kind of a little bit crazy, and this has definitely been no exception. This year we've run into a lot of problems with a couple things. Okay. One of them is I think almost all of you are loaded in your course, which is good. You need to be working there. The first week, any work you do in the first week is just going to be applied to next week to further out weeks, which is good. Okay. That means you're going to start off ahead. Next week, if you're in Apex, you're going to start seeing some due dates and some things like that roll up. So if you have any questions about that, just text me. Next week is also the start of classes. We're going to start really kind of slow. Okay. The purpose of classes is to kind of help you work through some of the things that Epic wants us to do with the Epic Essentials. Okay. To get you through that. But we can do other things too. Okay. The first week we're going to work and we're going to talk about like Google Docs and we're going to talk about spreadsheets and HyperDocs and some things like that, and I'll show you what you need to do to utilize the class. We're also going to go in and we're going to look at Google Classroom. Okay, so there'll be some things on there for you to do. I'm really excited about using Google Classroom. It's the way I'm going to communicate with you and talk with you. It's also the way you can ask me questions, and those types of things. Okay. Anyway, I hope you had a great first week. I'm looking forward to starting our classes and starting kind of the meat of what we do. I am also excited about. I'm looking at Freckle, and I'm looking at. It's really, I like it. It's good. Okay, and I think we'll be able to utilize that and utilize some other things and take care of it. And some of you don't even know what I mean when I say Epic Essentials, but we'll be able to utilize those and make Epic Essentials a lot easier. And plus, we'll keep you in your core. Know that now, not now, but as we go through, for some of your cores, I'm going to go in and start taking some things out, like projects and discussions and some things. I do that because we are going to be working a little, core's not everything. We'll be working in other places. It's just going to make it a little bit easier on you, and that way we can do the fun stuff. Okay. But I look forward to meeting you. Okay. I should be seeing you guys at Monday at 1 o'clock. Okay. If we can get one class going, I'd like for you to partake in that. If we can get two classes going, that's great. If you miss a class, the whole reason we have Google Classroom is I can throw that class on there in a video. You can watch it and you can do the work. Okay. We might even get into some Excel. Make it fun. Okay. We will talk to you next week. Have a good one. Bye bye.